The Global Environment Facility Small Grants Program supports projects that are community-driven, turning them into sustainable nature-based solutions, enhancing community resilience, and supporting small-scale economic development that contributes to the Sustainable Development Agenda in Belize.
The SGP has collaborated with the community of Santa Teresa. Women in these communities have gone to Barefoot College in India and acquired the skills and the techniques necessary for ensuring that there is solar electricity.
We started this project because we see it's very hard for kids to do their homework or study at night because electricity is very expensive. It's all about training.
Add a small amount of acid in. If it gets to the point it's not even giving you an hour, you do that, you'll get an hour or two for maybe a month.
We have several trainings for our communities about climate change and how to maintain these systems.
I'll be changing one of the parts to resolder it and then put it back again.
The children now, they're studying at night. The teacher told us it was 100% pass on a Belize examination. Even now, I think the grades are going even higher. Every person has a system now. Anybody at home will do their extra work at night. They have the light. I feel very proud of it. Nasa ho inch all la in ka tawli project in. Sa inch all na shkatyo, it's kataw.